In the vast darkness of the universe, a gigantic wanderer silently infiltrates carrying a strange green light. What secrets does Comet 3i Atlas hide from distant realms? It appears like a ghost from boundless void, not belonging to the familiar solar system, but coming from the depths of interstellar space, where time and space blend into mysteries never touched. Discovered on July 1, 2025, through the lens of the Atlas system in Chile. This stranger hurtles at an initial speed of about 230,000 miles per hour, equivalent to 214,000 kilometers, like an arrow shot from endless darkness, heading straight into the heart of the solar system. With an estimated diameter of up to 25 kilometers, much larger than typical comets, it carries a core of ice and abundant CO2 gas, but emits a green light unlike any object ever observed. NASA confirms this is the third interstellar object after 1I Oumuamua and 2I Borisov with a hyperbolic orbit, allowing it to escape the Sun's gravitational pull. After reaching perihelion around October 29th or 30, 2025, at a distance of 1.36 to 1.4 AU, it arrives without warning. And when telescopes like Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope JWST turn toward it, the first images reveal a massive ice block, spinning wildly, glowing green like emerald from the depths of the universe, whispering untold stories about extraterrestrials. That light spreads not randomly, but seemingly with purpose, leaving the scientific community stunned. From initial data from NASA science, it is not just an ordinary comet. The abnormally high CO2 ratio superior to domestic comets suggests an origin from a carbon-rich star system far away. However, the deeper the observation, the more anomalies emerge. No typical comet tail despite approaching the sun end, speed increasing from 130,000 to 152,000 miles per hour as if propelled by an invisible force. Professor Avi Loeb from Harvard, who once caused a stir with hypotheses about Oumuamua, speaks out a 10 to 20% probability that this is extraterrestrial technology, an artificial spacecraft disguised under an ice shell. What does that green light hide within? It spins like a mysterious dancer, concealing a soul from a distant star, guiding us on a journey from real science to mysteries, far beyond the Big Bang, where multiverses and hidden spatial dimensions may be sending messengers. The universe is not an empty place. It is full of enigmas, and 3I Atlas is the key to unlocking that door. From the direction of Sagittarius, coinciding with the WOW signal of 1977, a powerful radio pulse unexplained, suggesting a message from extraterrestrial intelligence. What is it coming for? The journey begins from recent discovery leading through layers of scientific data, then suddenly veering into hypothetical mysteries, where dark matter might conceal a network of extraterrestrial life. This wanderer does not just pass by. It whispers about parallel worlds where aliens observe us from hidden depths. And as JWST captures clearer images, the anomalies become more evident, emission energy around 20 gigadollars from some observations far exceeding natural comets. It glows, not ordinary, but like an invitation from afar connecting science with mystery, in an infinite universe where each object is an untold story. Based on the theory of comet formation from the distant Oort cloud, or ejected from another star system, 3I Atlas bears the mark of a true interstellar visitor, with a hyperbolic orbit exceeding the sun's escape velocity. It rushes in like a storm from the void, carrying the cold breath of distant universe, reaching perihelion at 136 AU in late October 2025, according to data from NASA science. Its core hard, like cosmic diamond, melts under the sun's light into a strange green gas stream with an abnormally high CO2 ratio detected by JWST, larger than typical comets, suggesting origin from a carbon-rich star system. CO2 explodes. No clear reason at first, but science explains This is the result of formation in cold molecular clouds, where heavy elements condense into ice. Compared to Oumuamua, the first interstellar object discovered in 2017, 3I Atlas is larger, with a 25-kilometer diameter, and speed increasing from 130,000 to 152,000 miles per hour as it approaches the Sun, according to Hubble observations. Not threatening Earth, it merely passes like a fleeting guest, but data from ESA shows the orbit calculated precisely with escape velocity around 152,000 miles per hour at perihelion. Linked to astrophysics, Hawking's theory on primordial black holes could influence interstellar orbits. But here, it's a comet, a block of ice and rock wandering through space for billions of years. Data from Gemini South shows the tail lengthening abnormally, but not typical plasma, rather CO2 gas glowing green. It accelerates. Normal for comets as the Sun's gravity pulls it faster, but that speed hides what engine from older images found before official discovery. According to EarthSky, 3I Atlas was recorded from early 2025, proving a long journey through the Oort cloud thousands of years ago. Science builds the foundation. This is a comet with chemical composition from interstellar clouds. But anomalies emerge when JWST analyzes the spectrum superior CO2 ratio, possibly from a distant supernova explosion. It spins like a deadly dancer, emitting energy that makes scientists ponder. Nevertheless, a sudden twist. If it's just rock and ice, why does it have characteristics far beyond string theory, where additional spatial dimensions could affect orbits? Data from NASA, multimedia, shows initial discovery, images a green spot on the black universe background. No clear gas tail, leading Loeb to estimate a 10 to 20% probability of extraterrestrial technology. The scientific origin is solid, but mystery seeps in from the Sagittarius direction, coinciding with the WOW signal of 1977, a strong radio pulse from a sun-like star, not fully explained. It comes from there. Why science provides data, but enigmas open a wider door, where the universe is not just matter, but also hidden consciousness. The first observed anomaly, no typical comet tail, despite approaching the sun green light from CO2. But JWST shows superior ratio, possibly a sign of extraterrestrial chemistry. That light spreads like a whisper from the darkness, not random, but with purpose, leaving scientists from NASA to ESA puzzled. According to Live Science, JWST images reveal something strange, uneven internal structure, as if hiding a metal core inside. Strange orbit coming from Sagittarius direction, coinciding with the WOW signal, a strong radio pulse in 1977, unexplained possibly from hydrogen maser, or intelligent message according to Universe Today. It adjusts. Why does the orbit match the solar system's plane so precisely, as if designed? Loeb points out this adjusted orbit is not random, suggesting artificial propulsion. Size 25 kilometers, emitting 20 GWs in energy, according to some X-posts from September 23, 2025, far exceeding natural comets, making astronomers ponder hidden energy sources. It is like a gigantic monster, swallowing energy from nothingness, with plasma swirling like a living soul, according to Robert Temple on Plasma as Consciousness. Unexpected Factor 9. Small objects following, each emitting 20 GWs like a hidden fleet, according to rumors spreading on X. What are those shadows in the darkness? Data from Planetary Society shows 3I Atlas, also called C2025N1, has pre-discovery images, but abnormal acceleration, not just from Sun's gravity. Speed from initial 130,000 mph from upward, suggesting nuclear engine. No gas tail, but persistent green light. According to Guardian, NASA denies it's an alien ship, but doesn't explain fully. Mysteries pile up if it's a comet. Why plasma related to consciousness? As Stefan Burns describes from X posts, speed increase leads many to link with UFOs. But science demands more data from JWST. It glows green, persistently, and as it approaches perihelion, more may reveal tail lengthening abnormally, according to Earth sky. Mystery intermingled, perhaps dark matter conceals. Or this is a multiverse bridge where hidden dimensions allow the wow signal to repeat. Unsolved enigmas, but the journey continues, leading to advanced hypotheses. A.V. Loeb's Hypothesis 3, Atlas, could be a spacecraft powered by nuclear energy, not rock ice, but technology with 10 to 20% probability based on data, but higher if considering orbit, according to Medium. It glides like a messenger from ancient civilization, carrying secrets of the multiverse, where additional spatial dimensions allow interstellar travel without violating Einstein. Connection to extraterrestrials, undisclosed secrets. Perhaps carrying traces of life, like extraterrestrial bacteria in the core, or hidden radio signals, intermingled with string theory, where hidden dimensions harbor consciousness. It carries life, far beyond basic knowledge hypothesis that dark matter conceals, an extraterrestrial network using comets as stopovers, or 3I Atlas, is remnant from a star explosion in a life-bearing system. In its heart, the universe whispers about parallel worlds where aliens observe us from hidden depths, according to CBS News on Loeb. Unexpected factor twist. If it's a ship, it may be accelerating due to engine not gravity evidence from Exxon increase from 130,000 mph, suggesting technology. Combined with plasma as consciousness, according to Robert Temple, that plasma swirls like a living soul, connecting to cosmic consciousness, expanding into hypothesis that hidden spatial dimensions are abodes of advanced intelligence. From the WOW direction signal from Sagittarius could be an invitation, and 3I Atlas is the response, according to Reddit, on WOW origin from a sun-like star. Undisclosed secrets, perhaps a scouting probe, as Loeb warns of security risks from interstellar objects, according to Medium. It observes, silently. But 20 GW energy from 9 following objects suggests a fleet, according to X-Posts. Advanced hypotheses expand beyond the Big Bang. Before that is multiverse, where comets are bridges, and aliens use dark matter to hide. Hawking once spoke of evaporating black holes, but here, the comet may contain information from hidden dimensions. Infinite universe with string theory, proving additional spatial dimensions, and 3I Atlas is living proof. It whispers secrets about life out there undisclosed because far beyond conventional knowledge. From scientific interstellar visitor to mysterious messenger, 3I Atlas reminds that the universe is full of surprises with secrets about extraterrestrials still hidden. It departs, leaving the green light fading into void, but the whisper still echoes through telescopes. The universe does not end at the Big Bang. It opens to multiverse where hidden dimensions conceal life, and 3I Atlas may be the key. When it disappears into darkness, what will we hear from afar, from recent X-Posts? New signals from JWST may emerge with 9 following objects like a final warning. The universe, like an endless sea of stars, where each comet is an untold story about brothers out there, connecting science with mystery in an endless journey. Secrets still await whispering through wanderers like 3I Atlas, leaving contemplation about our place in the cosmos.